Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install VLC Media Player on Linux. So, in order to do it, first of all we have to open the terminal, so I will press on Show Apps and open the terminal. And right now, what can we do? First of all, we can check if our VLC is installed. We can do it by typing in VLC ---- version. As you can see, my VLC is not installed. Maybe I will tell you what is a VLC Media Player, because VLC Media Player is a popular media player that supports almost all audio and video formats on Linux. It is really useful because Linux by default don't have any media player installed, so if you want to, for example, open the MP4 file or MP4, for example, video, you can do it on Ubuntu because you don't have a application installed by default, so you have to install, for example, VLC, and this is why this is so useful. How can we install it? Very easy. You have to use command sudo apt install and right now VLC. It is enough, and you can press enter, of course, and you have to type in your password. And right now we have to wait, of course. We have to do to continue. We have to press Y in order to continue and press enter. And right now it's very important to say that this command sudo apt install will work only on the Ubuntu and Debian distribution, because, for example, on Fedora you have a different installing command, so instead of sudo apt install you have to type in sudo dnf install. It is important if you have different distribution than Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian. You have to check the default installing command on your own and then type in VLC, and it should work. So, of course, now we have to wait, and maybe I will say that on Ubuntu Snap is installed by default, and also you can use Snap to install this VLC. You can just type in sudo snap install VLC and it should also work. But now, as we are waiting, our installation is finished. So now, how can we open our VLC? Maybe before we will open it, I can type in VLC ---- version. And as you can see, my VLC Media Player is installed with the version 3.0.20. And we can open that by typing in VLC and press enter on our keyboard. And now we can close that, and as you can see, my VLC Media Player is installed. This is the first the first way to launch it. The second way is just to go into apps and press on this icon right there, VLC Media Player, and it's also working. So that's how you can install VLC Media Player on Ubuntu or Debian. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.